So these are the settings you'll change if you're going to have something like a ground loop or an exit loop attached to your sliding gate motor. So we're going to go into the programming menu. As soon as we see PRG, we'll release the button, and we're going to go down until we see the function STAP. So STAP. So what this is meaning is, what do you want the gate motor to do when it receives a start function when the gate is open? So we're going to go into that menu. So when the gate is open or opening, what do we want the gate motor to do? So we actually want, for a ground probe or an exit loop, we want the gate motor to ignore any start input it gets whilst the gate is opening. So we're going to change this to no. So I'm going to save that. The next one is st.ch. So what do we want the gate motor to do when it receives a start signal when the gate is closing? So you can imagine someone driving over the exit loop, and then when the gate is closing, we want that to open. So at the moment it's set to stop out of the box. We're going to change that to APER. So that's aperto, which is Italian for open. So if the gate is closing and it receives a start signal, we want it to immediately open. So we're going to accept that. And the next one is, what do we want the gate motor to do when it receives a start signal and the gate is open and about to auto close? So we don't chiuso, which is Italian for close. We actually just want it to pause. So just extend the auto close time. So we're going to save that pause setting. And then we're going to go down to STRT, which is the start function. And so when we're installing a ground probe or an exit loop, we want to change this setting to OROL. And this is the same for a time clock input. So if you're using a time clock to automatically open the gate, this is the input you'd use, or the setting for the start input that you use. So we're going to accept that change and go down and save these settings and define C, and that's it. So now we have changed those settings, so when you have an exit loop or an exit probe, we have the functions that we want.